Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this ULANZI Ombra travel tripod. So it comes in this really heavy duty bag. It's got a tie string here, but again, you can use this for carrying it. It almost seems like it's made out of waterproof material. You can cinch it closed. It fits in there really good. We've got this phone clamp. This is really nice. There's a cold shoe on that side of it. We can rotate this, put our phone in there. Yeah, that's very nice, but let's get to the actual tripod. It's got some rubber feet here. And again, to adjust it, these are clamps, undo it. They retract out. Okay, so it does have like a ball mount here. You loosen this up. I can put this at any angle I want. I can put it at a 90-degree angle. I love that it's got a bubble here, a level bubble. It also has a compass right here. That's pretty neat. Now I can undo this. There's where that goes. This is a quick disconnect. This is for stopping it when you want to turn it. There is like and then these feet, so if you press that in really far, then you can extend the legs out. You got to press that in really far to get it to go past that, and then they'll extend out. It does come with 2 Allen wrenches. Looks like they're the same size. Now, if I lift this lever up, I can move this up and down. That's how you lock that. It does have a hook on the bottom, so when I lift it up, you can see it does move. Yeah, it's got a lot of possibilities here. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.